So you're welcome back. We have taken 2 out of 3 of the what of the acyclic hydrocarbon. So we have taken alkane. The next one is what? Alkyne, which is also called what? Acetylene. This acetylene is what? Ethyne. That's the first member of the series. Are you getting me? So let's start. The alkynes are unsaturated. I've explained the meaning of unsaturated, having what? Double bond or triple bond. When it has just only single bond, it is called what? Saturated. But whenever it's having what? 2 or 3, it is called what? Unsaturated hydrocarbon. With general molecular formula of what? Cn H2n minus 2. This is the general molecular formula in which what? Ethyne, propyne, butyne, pentyne, octyne, nonine, we have the same general molecular formula. The presence of carbon to carbon triple bond, I've made mention of this. These examples of what? Alkyne, we having C. This is what? This is the first one, which is what? This is the ethyne. If you can see, having what? Carbon to carbon triple bond. We having 3 bond. 1, 2, 3. So that is why it is what? Unsaturated. Let's move on to the differentiation now. Alkanes are prepared in the laboratory by what? Action of what? Cold water on calcium carbide. If you can still remember, I said this calcium carbide is not what? An hydrocarbon, because what? Although it has what? Carbon in its component, but it's not what? And what? Organic compound. If you can still remember, I made mention of what? In my previous video clip, I made mention of oxide, cyano, and what? Carbide. They are not what? Organic compound. When this one dissolve in cold water, it gives us what? Ethyne plus what? Calcium hydroxide. So that's preparation. Also, the same method of preparation you can prepare apart from ethyne. You can prepare propyne, butyne, pentyne, octyne using the same method. So let's move on to the properties now. The chemical properties. Combustion. Like I said, all hydrocarbons burn in what? Here to give us what? CO2 plus what? H2O. Put this one at the back of your mind. Additional reaction, they also undergoes additional reaction. Alkyne and alkane, they undergoes what? Additional reaction. While alkane, they undergoes what? Substitutional reaction. Then polymerization. This polymerization of what? Alkyne, give us what? Benzene. Polymerization of what? Ethyne, give us what? Benzene. If you notice, C2H2 and benzene, when this one polymerize, it give us what? C6H what? 6. If you notice, they have the same what? Empirical formula as what? CH and CH. Then that is all about that. Let's move on to uses of what? The alkyne. They are used as what? Fuel in mineral lamps. You have to take note of that. Then the next one was produced as what? Ethylene Flame, which is used for cutting and welding of what? Metals. Those wires, they make it of what? These what? Products for what? Welding and cutting of what? Metals. When this one give us a very high temperature which we met the what? The metal. It is called what? Ethylene Flame. You have to take note of this. JAMB do ask this particular question very well. So thank you for watching.